fun.
Dude, we were so sideways on the top of the hill. Bust out the Z and get some tandems and let's try to scare Jesse.
Nah, yeah, I'm excited. I'm looking forward. Matter of fact, I want to get scared.
This is Sonoma Raceway. It is located just 1 hour north of San Francisco, right next to the world famous Napa Valley wine country. It is here that every week they have Wednesday night Sonoma drag and drift. Drag racing costs 35 bucks and drifting is 50 bucks. And this is a map of the whole venue. The part in black is the track itself. I'll be starting off the video running down from turn 2 all the way towards turn 3, where I'll drift through turn 4 and then shutting it down and coming around turn 5. My truck and trailer in our pit area is in the main paddock by the NASCAR garages. Drag racing occurs at the drag strip from turn 12 and it's a straight shot to turn 7. And in the last half of this video I'll be drifting on the skid pad, which is the upper part of the main paddock area.
Okay. Let's go. Good. That was hella fun.
Dude, we were so sideways on the top of the hill.
I was like, man, I gotta grip my camera hella good. I was a little nervous.
Hell yeah.
Oh, man, that's so cool. I gotta learn how to drift. That's gotta be my next thing to learn.
Oh, it's so fun, but it's so expensive and time consuming, but goddamn, the like 10 seconds are out there.
It's worth it.
It was hella fun.
Oh, yeah.
What's up everyone, this is Jesse, and I just wanted to share with y'all that I had such a great time at the event. It was truly a dope experience, getting to be right there in the middle of all the action and witnessing the incredible skills of these drivers. These guys have bars, they on another level. Drifting is like an art form that requires unique control and precision. In other words, like I just said, you gotta have bars. Now after experiencing this, I hella wanna learn how to drift. Who knows, maybe a drift jag. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my homie's Terrence channel, Risk Speed. Take care and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.